this is Angie again. I'm here to share with you my food blog today again, guys. And yeah, we gonna make today is a uh, carrots muffin, guys, or cake. So this is I think a healthy one, guys. So just wanna share to you also, guys. And yeah, by the way, how are you doing today, guys? How are you? And yes, so here all my ingredients, and yeah, so get started uh, to do the muffins. So we have 2 carrots, eggs, baking soda, 1 teaspoon, 1 quart ginger, uh, 1 quart salt, one quart nutmeg, and 1 quart cloves ground, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Then we add a vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon also, and here 1 cup of I'm using roll oats, but you can use also the old-fashioned oats, guys. And here one and half cup of flour. I'm using a plain flour, but you can use the white wet wheat flour, guys. And here I have a honey, then use about half cup of honey, or you can use the maple syrup. And today I don't have apple sauce, so I just find a thing to substitute that, guys. So here now, guys, I put here half cup of honey, and then we add first the whisk together the eggs melted, this one, guys, and eggs. So gonna crack. Wow. So we must whisk together this one, 3 things first, guys. Then before we mixing together all the ingredients, we need to put a processor, this one, guys, first. After the 3 things we mix or combine together, guys, so next step we need to add the dried ingredients. So here you go. This one might give a baking plate, so we need to add all the baking soda, salt, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, nutmeg, and whisk them. We need to add the whole oats and flour. Yeah, the flour you can use here, guys, also is the white whole wheat flour. But for me, I using the plain flour. Then yeah, we need to mix together first this one. Then add the grated carrots. add the liquid ingredients now, guys. I'm using here the spatula and gently fold in the white whole wheat flour and oats grated carrots, and not to over mix this butter. Then you can divide this one into 12 muffin cups. Then filling each cup almost to the top and bake for about 18 to 20 minutes. But you can also make 36 mini muffins and bake by 12 to 14 minutes. So here now, guys, and yeah, coconut oil may be substituted for this for the butter to make the muffins dairy free, guys. And yeah, so just give a tips for you guys, and we need to put on a muffin cup ready to bake, guys. So I have a 12 muffin cups here for baking this. And wow, so nice, guys. Excited to to see all my muffins, guys. So that's why I show you. Then excited to taste later on, guys. Here now, guys, our muffins. Yes, it's clean. So we leave here first. Let it cool down for 5 minutes, and then we transfer to wire track, guys. Then ready for taste test. So here now the muffins, guys. So we need to, after 5 minutes, so removing muffins here, and we put a wire rack to cool completely, guys. So there you go, guys. Wow, yummy. Looks yummy. Wow. The on top, guys, is soft. There you go, guys. So let's give it a try, guys. So we take one and let's give it a try, guys. There you go, guys. Very soft. Wow. So fluffy, guys. So let's give a one big bite. Mmm. Mmm. No. No. It's moist. Moist the inside, guys. On top a bit crunchy. Crispy. Mmm. It's good. Yum. Wow. Mmm. Very soft, guys. Mm. Yeah, this one is good for snack, and if you have a children, they can bring to school snack, and yeah, for everybody it's nice. Then if you are fan of muffins, yeah, you really have this one recipe, guys, to try to make it. Then yeah, so here you go guys. So I end here my video and hope you like this video to share with you guys. And please comment down below and please subscribe and please give thumbs up as well, and please don't forget to click the notification bell as well and the click all so that all my video you can be notified when I upload new videos guys. So thank you very much and very thankful every I make a video for you guys and really comes from my heart. So thank you very much for your support to this channel guys. Okay, and always be kind in life. See you next video or vlog guys. Bye. Yeah, I forgot. If you wanna try guys, and I just write down below the description box the full recipe of this muffins, and you can just check it there. Okay guys, thank you.